Writing a book is a remarkable journey that allows you to delve into your imagination, share your unique perspective, and create something meaningful and lasting. However, the path from a blank page to a completed manuscript can appear overwhelming, especially for aspiring authors. This comprehensive step-by-step guide is designed to demystify the process of writing a book and provide you with the tools and insights to embark on this creative adventure with confidence. Within these pages, you will find a roadmap that will take you from the inception of your book idea to the completion of your manuscript. Each step offers practical guidance and valuable insights to help you navigate the challenges and triumphs of the writing process. Whether you aspire to write fiction or nonfiction, this guide will equip you with the essential knowledge and strategies to bring your story or ideas to life. To begin, we will explore the importance of defining your concept and setting clear goals for your book. By understanding your target audience and the themes you wish to convey, you can craft a compelling and purposeful narrative. From there, we will delve into the process of conducting research and creating a solid outline that provides structure and direction for your writing. As we progress, you will discover how to develop compelling characters for fiction or establish a strong voice and argument for nonfiction. We will discuss the significance of establishing a writing routine and creating the right environment to nurture your creativity. You will also gain insights into the art of crafting a captivating first draft, balancing the freedom of expression with the need for structure and coherence. The journey continues with the crucial steps of revising, editing, and refining your manuscript. We will explore techniques for improving plot structure, character development, prose style, and grammar. Seeking professional feedback and embracing the revision process will be essential in transforming your initial draft into a polished and engaging work. Towards the end of this guide, you will gain a deeper understanding of the publishing landscape and the various options available to authors today. We will discuss traditional publishing, self-publishing, and hybrid publishing, helping you make an informed decision that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Writing a book is not merely about creating a story or sharing knowledge, it is a transformative and empowering experience. It requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to learn and grow as a writer. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will acquire the skills and mindset necessary to navigate the writing process and see your book through to completion. So, whether you dream of crafting a thrilling novel, a captivating memoir, or an insightful nonfiction work, this guide is your companion on the journey of becoming an author. Embrace the joy of creation, overcome the challenges, and unleash your imagination. The world is waiting for your story. Let's embark on this adventure together. Step 1. Define your concept and set goals. Start by clarifying your book's concept and identifying your goals as a writer. Determine the genre, themes, and target audience for your book. Set clear, achievable goals that will guide you throughout the writing process. Step 2. Conduct research and outline. Gather relevant information, conduct research, and create an outline for your book. This step helps you organize your ideas, establish a coherent structure, and identify any research gaps that need to be filled. Step 3. Develop compelling characters. For fiction, if writing fiction, develop well-rounded and compelling characters. Create backstories, personalities, and motivations that resonate with readers and drive the narrative forward. Step 4. Establish a writing routine. Establish a writing routine that works best for you. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to focus on writing. Consistency is key to progress and maintaining momentum throughout the writing process. Step 5. Write the first draft. Begin writing the first draft of your book. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. The The goal is to get your ideas on paper. Embrace the creative flow and let your imagination guide you. Step 6. Revise and edit. Once the first draft is complete, revise and edit your manuscript. Pay attention to plot structure, character development, pacing, and clarity of writing. Seek feedback from trusted beta readers or consider hiring an editor. Step 7. Polish your prose, refine your writing style, pay attention to grammar, syntax, and sentence structure. Ensure your writing is clear, engaging, and cohesive. Polish your prose to make it shine. Step 8. Seek professional feedback. Consider engaging with professional editors or literary agents to receive objective feedback on your manuscript. Their expertise can help you identify areas of improvement and strengthen your book. Step 9. Finalize and prepare for publishing. Make final revisions based on feedback and prepare your manuscript for publication. This includes formatting, creating a book cover, and any necessary copyright or legal considerations. Step 10. Choose your publishing path. Decide on the publishing path that aligns with your goals and preferences. Options include traditional publishing, self-publishing, or hybrid publishing. Research each path and make an informed decision. Conclusion: congratulations! You have reached the end of this comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to write a book. Throughout this journey, you have gained valuable insights, practical strategies, and a deeper understanding of the writing process. Writing a book is a labor of love that requires dedication, perseverance, and a genuine passion for storytelling. It is a journey filled with highs and lows, but the satisfaction of seeing your ideas come to life on the page is immeasurable. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you have equipped yourself with the tools to overcome obstacles, tap into your creativity, and produce a compelling manuscript. Remember that writing is a deeply personal experience, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Adapt the techniques and recommendations in this guide to fit your unique writing style and preferences. Embrace your individuality, allow your voice to shine through, and trust in your creative instincts. As you embark on this writing journey, maintain a consistent writing routine, stay committed to your goals, and be open to the process of revision and refinement. Seek feedback from trusted sources and be willing to incorporate constructive criticism to improve your work. Remember, writing is a continuous learning process, and each revision brings you closer to a polished and impactful manuscript. While completing your manuscript is a significant achievement, it is important to remember that publishing your book is a separate but equally rewarding endeavor. Take the time to explore the publishing landscape and consider the different avenues available to you. Whether you choose traditional publishing, self-publishing, or a hybrid approach, make an informed decision that aligns with your goals and aspirations as an author. Lastly, always nurture your love for writing. Read widely, immerse yourself in different genres, and never stop honing your craft. Writing is a lifelong journey of growth and exploration. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the milestones, and remember that your words have the power to inspire, entertain, and touch the lives of others. So, take a deep breath, trust in your abilities, and let your creativity soar. You have the tools, the knowledge, and the passion to write a book that will captivate readers and leave a lasting impact. Embrace this incredible opportunity to share your unique voice with the world. Happy writing, and may your literary journey be filled with inspiration, fulfillment, and success.